Good evening, friends. This is Pramod, your friend giving financial roundup for the passing week. Since last 18 months, we are talking about the flight of foreign investors from Indian stock markets and also about imposition of tariff by Trump administration on Indian goods to the tune of 50%. They are also moving a resolution, a law in US Senate that these tariffs may be increased to 500% if we are doing business, particularly in crude oil with Russia. Now it's time to quantify what has really happened on ground. Till pre-tariff era, we were trade surplus by $5 billion. That means our exports were more than American imports by $5 billion. But since last 4 months, the impact of tariff has been felt, and now almost half of our export to USA have been reduced, and there is a long trade deficit in favor of US now. It's hurting the Indian businesses which has exposed to US markets, and also the collateral damage is the weakening of rupees. The weakening of rupee is the collateral damage as our exports have fallen, and the business in US dollars is getting skewed day by day. However, the central government is now of the view that we should absorb this shock and find new avenues and new business opportunities in rest of the world like Southern America, African continent and Europe. Also, due to this change of shift of our business strategy and added to by domestic consumption, our stock markets have not fallen to that extent, but our rupee is getting weaker and weaker in comparison with dollar. The solution our government has found is to have a minimum risk to dollar, and hence they are also getting involved in more and more in the BRICS activity and also pushing for BRICS currency. The BRICS conglomerate is now a group of 10 nations which are supporting each other to trade in their respective currencies and avoid dollarized currency. Also, due to this de-dollarization, the hoarding of gold and silver by reserve banks of major countries have increased, which are fueling the rise of gold and silver. Please share, please like and subscribe, and please comment as to what can be done and what we want the next.